everyone, it's Carrie with Elite Nails and welcome back to another video on my channel. I am super excited to share this product with you from Magic Gel. This is the Winter Fairy Tale Design Kit Chapter 2. I want to thank Magic Gel for sending this to me to review and get my first impressions. So I'm super honored to be able to do this. So let's just jump right into this. Okay, first of all, I want to say this packaging is so amazing. It's eye-catching. So when you open the box, you get this beautiful card from Magic Gel, and it's got link to video tutorial, so you have your own little code, and then you get a calendar, a design calendar. Now we have the 7 colors. I'm going to use my number 7 flawless sculpting brush. So the first one we're going to look at is number 119. It's called Precious Charcoal. This is a beautiful black glitter. It looks like a glitter with some silver sparkles in it. Wow. I totally did not expect it to go on as well as it did. Now these chunks, if you will, of glitter are super fine. And I'm actually going to cure this, and I want to put a second thin layer on just to see how opaque I can get it. Wow, that is stunning. Cure this and I'll be right back. Okay, and this is what Precious Charcoal looks like. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. And it was so easy to apply. I just didn't know what to expect with the application, being a glitter gel, and I was pleasantly surprised. Magenta Dream, and this is number 120. Whoa. Whoa, that is so pretty. It's beautiful to dip your brush in. Wow. Okay, the glitter gel moves where you want it. It stays where you put it, but it self-levels at the same time. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna cure this and then put another thin layer because I do have some shadowing in here. Let's cure this. Okay, and here is Magenta Dream. Oh, that is so pretty. Oh, if I could only do some line art, that would just look gorgeous over top. Beautiful magenta color. Oh gosh, that is so pretty. Okay, and the next one is called Britannia Silver, number 121. Now these don't have the one coat coverage symbol on them, and I have been putting. Wow, that is pretty. Sorry, I kind of got sidetracked there. The application, like I said, is super easy. It is a glitter gel, so can a glitter gel be a one coat coverage? Anyway, this is stunning. This reminds me of, I'm not sure what it reminds me of. Silver Sparkle by Light Elegance. So this is Silver Sparkle by Light Elegance. No, the chunks of silver in Light Elegance is smaller, and the Britannia Silver has got kind of a black base to it. Not a lot of a black base, but a little bit. Let's swatch this. And so far, I'm noticing that the 3 that I've dipped my brush in, the viscosity is very consistent. Okay. I am doing a little bit of a floating motion as opposed to straight on painting, just in case you were wondering. For this one, the other ones I sort of painted them on. That kind of worked better. You got more of a even coverage. Okay, let's cure that. Okay, and that's Britannia Silver. Wow. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. Okay, you guys, I'm actually staring up at my camera and my mouth is open. I am speechless. I'm so glad I'm the only one in the room. As I'm looking around, nope, no cats. And yes, I have 2. And no, I'm not the crazy cat lady yet. So pretty. Look how that sparkles. Wow. You could do glitter fades with this, you guys. Next color is number 122 called Blue Lagoon. Whoa. Oh my gosh. That is like a, holy cow, these are gorgeous colors. It's almost like a Caribbean sea blue. Wow, this is stunning. Okay, and here is Blue Lagoon number 122. It's kind of like an aqua blue. Oh my gosh, like that is, again, mesmerizing. That is beautiful. Okay, next color is number 123, and this is called Capri Blue. Whoa, this is a beautiful, it's like a deep royal blue with a black base. And this is what Capri Blue looks like. Again, so stunning. Yeah, deep royal blue, I would say, with there's like a black base. It almost looks like there's some black glitter in there as well. Okay, next one is number 124, and this is called Sleeping Beauty, and this has a 1 coat coverage symbol on it. And this is what Sleeping Beauty looks like. Looks like a gray, almost like it's similar to the silver, number 31, not in color, but in the, oh, I don't know how to explain this. It's got a deeper gray base with some flecks of glitter in here, but there's like a metallic type base, it looks like. Am I explaining this or am I butchering it? There is a color in here, like it's like a gray metallic shimmer, not a shimmer, more of a metallic. But there are flecks of, I am seeing super fine flecks of, it's like a magenta pink. That is very unique. Wow. Yeah, that's like a metallic gray, metallic silver, and definitely a 1 coat coverage. Okay, I'm gonna cure this, will be right back. And this is what Sleeping Beauty number 124 looks like. Again, stunning. Something a little different, more of a metallic with a shimmery glitter in there. Last one, and this is called Night Sky number 125, and also has the 1 coat coverage symbol. Wow. You know what, I cannot tell what color this is. I don't know if it's a black or a deep purple. So I'm going to say, I'm not going to know until I swatch it, but just from looking at the color in the pot, I'm going to say a black, and there are fine flecks of like a magenta pink glitter. So I think that's why I'm kind of seeing, wondering if it's purple. And also I caught glimpses of gold. I'm just going to swatch this. Oh my gosh, I am in love with this color. Okay, I'm gonna cure this and then come back and we'll talk about it. Okay, so I wiped the brush off onto this wipe, and it is definitely black, and it's got, you can see the very fine purpley pink fine glitter. So I think that's why it's kind of giving that purple hue in the pot. And this is what Night Sky looks like. It is stunning. I'm looking at this swatch stick, and it actually looks like I'm looking into the night sky and seeing a ton of stars. This is beautiful. Oh, I love that. Wow. And definitely a 1 coat coverage, went on with 1 swipe. Okay, so there is the Winter Fairy Tale Kit, Chapter 2. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty. Each one, every time I opened a pot of gel, I thought this is my favorite color out of the collection. And then I would open the next one. No, this is a favorite color. I am loving the Capri Blue and the Blue Lagoon and the Magenta Dream. They look like jewel colors, like gems. So pretty. And then this black with the pink and gold. I'm seeing some green. You're like, you're crazy, Carrie. But you can kind of see, you guys, I don't usually say this, but get the collection and you will just know what I'm talking about. This is beautiful. Okay, so now let's fix a nail. So I just put a coat of brightening top on and cured it for 2 minutes. And now I'm going to attempt at a design using Universal White. And I'm going to use my Creative Swirls brush. Not bad. Okay, I'm gonna cure this because I actually don't mind this. I'll be right back. Okay, there you go, you guys. There is the Winter Fairy Tale Design Kit, Chapter 2. What do I think of this collection? I am amazed at how these glitter gels applied to a swatch stick. When I put the color on top of my thumb, it was even easier. So very, very impressed. I love the colors. 7 beautiful colors. I pleasantly surprised. I don't know why. I mean, Magic Gel is a phenomenal product, so why these surprised me, I have no clue. Have no clue whatsoever. Maybe the fact that sometimes glitter gels can be a little bit tricky to apply, especially if there's more gel than there is glitter, and that was not the case with these. So very impressed with these, very happy with them. I've got a lot of clients that will gravitate towards these colors even in January, February. Anyways, tell me what you think of this collection. Do you have this already? Because I know it's been out a little bit. Comment down below, do you have a favorite color? And that is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram at Elite Nails by Carrie. And until the next video, we'll see you guys again soon. Bye guys. And you have 6, no, here I go again with the math. 7. And this is what precious, oh my gosh. I sound like I've got loose teeth or something. Or I've had too much wine.